Yo, what is good everybody? Welcome back to another video. I've ordered a load of clothes of Asos and I want to show you them. I haven't fully opened the parcel, I've just opened it, had a sneak peek in, but I've not fully pulled them out. As you can still see, it's still parcel wrapped, so there's quite a lot of goodies in there, so I'm going to try them on, see what you think, see what I think as well. One thing I will mention is I'm finding it hard to find like a nice striped t-shirt. All the ones I've tried on have been, it's hard to explain, that's just, you know, you just can't find something and it just doesn't suit you, but you really want one. We'll try them on. Just a quick mention that if I look any different when I got back, it means that my camera's died and I got a haircut. Alright, first piece I got is this Stranger Things t-shirt. I'm not sure, I reckon it'll fit. It did say it was like an oversized, so I sized down in my normal size large, went for a medium, but it doesn't seem to fit like it did on the, you know, how they advertise it on the website, so that's going back, even though it's a nice t-shirt. Second piece that I ordered was this black, oversized, Notorious BIGGIE, or Biggie Smalls if you want to say. But the design, sorry I can't fit myself all in, I will go back further. But yeah, it's a yay from me, so definitely keeping this one. Really pleased with it. On to the next one. Second piece I ordered was this Boohooman brand oversized strap tee. I like the fit on this. Orange kind of matches the cap. I also like the black collar on it. Like, yeah, definitely a keep for this one. Realising it now, this one probably looks exactly the same. But as I said earlier, I am wanting to find like you know, like the vintage look, striped, oversized. That's why I bought so many. Like, yeah, this one's another keep. I quite like this. Right, on to the next one. The last and final piece is this colour block hoodie. Realising it now, I probably should have sized up one or two because one wash on this and it'll probably be shrunk, but I do like the design on it. Yeah, I liked how it was advertised, but I probably should have sized up again. The blooming camera died on me, guys, so I managed to get my hair cut, come back, charge the batteries, fresh trim. So the video's been cut short. Hope you enjoy my unboxing, hope you enjoy some of the clothes that I've bought. Majority of them is probably going back. So don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, you know what you gotta do. Catch you in the next one.